October is dedicated to Halloween with 4 truly terrifying pieces. 4 Children of Darkness to enrich your dark adventures. A witch in 4 versions who cooks an unusual potion, an undead sorcerer who summons terrible creatures from the underworld, a dark reaper, and a monstrous vampire. The post-apocalyptic abomination closes the September series with a large miniature and a barbarian in 5 versions for you to choose as a character in your adventures. 13 models including 2 large sizes for less than $3. It is madness not to take advantage of it.